ones, welcome back to social studies. Is what all we studied about previous class. We studied that observation and reversible, irreversible, and how it will changes. We got through now, right? Yes. Next we'll see a small activity. I won't do that activity, but I'll because in school we can show live that activity. Now I'll just go through on that explanation. Okay, that just you put it to your mind, students. We'll see. Take a two glasses, add one tablespoon of sugar in one glass and another tablespoon add of his sand and stir well with a spoon. What you will do, take one glass of water first, okay, and add up to one spoon of sugar, and you see what it will happen. Previous class I showed that how that sugar got dissolves in water, right? Same it will applies in sugar too. There won't be any changes, okay, there won't be any changes. Next we'll see the molecules of a salt and water do not change in some other molecules when they mix together. In fact, they are each solution. That water vapor will get to the salt back. See, when in normal cold water, if you mix the salt, what will happen? Just it will dissolve in water. The molecules will support and it will dissolve in water. But actually what happens, same water you dissolve some salt, and if you keep on heating, what we can see? We can see the salt will come up and it will be, yes, it will be in the form of evaporate. The salt will be dissolved. After the dissolving, while heating, while boiling only, the salt will be the temperature that we can see up top of the water. We can see a white particles or white that molecules. That white molecules is nothing but we can consider as salt. Okay, yes, next we'll see how the matter changes. Sometimes one kind of matter changes into the another kind of matter through a process, that chemical reaction. Such a changes is known as chemical changes. Burning anything causes is chemical changes. Yes, sometimes what all we can see, one kind of matter into the another kind of matter through the process of chemical reaction. If I take as example, you take it as like sugar itself, okay. First we'll take a plain water. If we add 1 tablespoon of sugar, then another, what it will, the sugar will be solution. The sugar syrup we can see, or the sugar will be, yes, dissolves in water. That is nothing but in one kind of matter changes into another kind of matter. It is only a water. This is, yes, it's the sugar got melt into that water or dissolves in that water. What we can see, that process is nothing but chemical reaction. Okay, yes, we'll see such changes is called as chemical changes. Yes, we got through now. Burning anything cases is also known as chemical changes. Whatever we burn in that cases also we can see. If the paper, if we burn again, we get the paper, no, right? Yes, what we can see, that is reversible. That is, sorry, that is irreversible. That is not reversible. But because if once the paper gone burn, again we get the paper, no, it already, it it got burned and it is in the form of ash. Okay, yes, next we'll see a solution is a mix in which the substances solutes and dissolves in another substances is called as solvent. Yes, actually, in previous only I said the solution, what all it will get the mixtures in that particularly substances, it will dissolve or soluted in that another substances. It is a water. If we combine the sugar, what we can see? Yes, it will dissolve completely sugar and will get sugar water, right? That both the molecules will be mixed up, especially that is substances here or with the insolvents. Okay, yes, Now everybody can see a page number 25. In the 25, we'll see effect of heating the molecules, effect of freezing a molecules. See, what is this? Yes, effect of, see how the pitches are dancing. It is nothing but how whatever the eating effect on that the molecule, how it will gonna react by boiling. Yes, and if we freeze that water, how the molecule will be freeze. They compare water and comparison. See how easily they showed. While eating how it will be, while freezing how it will be, we can easily understand very quickly. Now we'll see. Fill the tables above the writing the names of process which is a state matter change into the another state of matter. We'll see now, students. Original state, name of the process, and new state. Original states liquid, gas, liquid, solid. Name of the process only they gave for a liquid and gases. What we can see, when the liquid is converted into gas. If take as example, if the liquid is born started to boil, what we can see, evaporation. In evaporation, yes, it is nothing but gas. Okay. Next we'll see gas. The gas, how it will convert it to the liquid. See, if keep a water and it will boil, what it will do, you just close some plate. After the opening the plate, you can see small water drops on behind that, on inside the plate, right? Yes, that is nothing but condensation. What we can see, what we can see, yes, condensation. Condensation. Okay, that between the gas while boiling will get the air, right? After we closing the plate, inside the plate, what we can see, that liquid from that point, right? Yes, that is known as condensation. Okay, next we'll see that liquid is converted into solid. Yes, if we take some ice cubes, or take some glass of water, and if you keep in freezer, after 1/2 an hour or 20 minutes, what it will become, it will become solid. That that reaction, what we can call, yes, solidification. What we can call, solidification. Okay, yes. After that solid, again, if you already one glass, you took one glass of water and you kept in freezer, what it will happen, it happens the solid. After that, you keep outside for 20 minutes, what we can say, again it's converted into liquid. What happens there, again that solid part, it's melt. So melting. Okay, what we can see, melting. See how is the process. The liquid converted into gas is known as evaporation. The gas converted into liquid is known as condensation. Again, the liquid converted into solid is known as solidification. The solid is converted into liquid is known as melting. You got through now? Yes. Next we'll see. Let us observe the physical changes of the state of the matter. Take some water of a bowl and keep it in the freezer. It becomes a ice like solid. Yes, previously I gave just now the example, right? Yes. And take the ice from the freezer and keep it in on the table. What happens? Again it returns to the liquid. The ice returns to earlier the liquid. Water. So that freezing of water is only the physical change. Yes, what we can see there. Yes, the freezing of water, again it becomes a solid ice. Again the solid ice, if you keep the outside, again we can see a water. That changes is known as that physical changes. Clear? Yes, we'll see. Physical or reversible. The matter undergoes the two types, physical changes and chemical changes. Physical changes is nothing but this is a temporary changes which the substances undergoing a change and do not change their chemical position. Example, changing of water into ice and melting into the wax. Only the changes is known as their status. Is obviously I said. From liquid to solid, from solid to liquid, liquid to solid, it is solidification, and from solid to liquid, that melting. Such reaction is known as physical changes. We can see a temporary physical changes. Okay. Anyway, students, what all we got through know today? What is that? Physical changes, or what is that? Reversible changes. Yes, from ice to water, from water to ice. A very easily topic, don't go very bright. Ice to water, water to ice. Such changes is known as physical changes or reversible changes. We can replace very easily. Clear? Okay, students, bye. Meet you at the next class with that activity. Okay.